My name is George J. I'm with P.A.S.S. USA Today, and I'm with Barnard, the president and owner of Proactive Safety System, with offices in Palm Bay, Florida, and also in Houston, Texas. Mr. Barnard, can you tell me what it is that makes Proactive Safety's best in class as a provider of safety staffing for construction and energy projects?
Three things makes us best in class. When you call my company on the phone, you're gonna get to talk to an EHS professional in the office. We're gonna ask you what you're looking for in a safety professional, what type of job would you expect to be doing, and from that, I will get a critique of your company and what do you do. I will select from my staff the safety professional I will want to send to that specific job.
Okay.
I will review when he gets there. He will do a review and audit of your safety program. He will elevate it to the Proactive Safety System and make everybody there take ownership of their work and work within the system. Now what that does is, not only when they take ownership of their work, it makes your company better, it makes your employees better, because now you're working within the system, it adds to your bottom line. Because if you have a third-party safety versus a staffing safety, normally what you get is a better safety program. When I have people call me that said, we need safeties, they call you for a reason. You just don't send somebody out there that wants to shut things down, because that's what most safeties do. I'm going to shut them down. Well, how about this? How about I take a different approach? You're not there to shut them down because I can hire anybody to do that. You're there to make them work within the system, to take ownership of what they're doing. And I'll give you a quick example.
Okay.
When I say inspect the slings before you do your rigging, before you do a lift, most people will inspect the sling visually. It's good. Let's say you started the lift. All of a sudden the sling breaks. The piece of material that you're lifting comes passing down the ground. Nobody's hurt. How many people out there, when you said who inspected the sling, going to step up and say, I inspected the sling?
Probably not too many.
Survey says none of them are, because they're not going to take ownership. So what we do in our company is we devise a system. If you're going to inspect something, you're going to sign off on it. Who is the lead inspecting our rigging? Well, that would be Jorge. Well, Jorge, here's what you're going to do. You're going to inspect it. You're going to put your name on it and sign it. I find this. If you have a person take ownership of it, when they sign their names to something, they're going to inspect it visually.
So documentation is really
Documentation is the key to taking ownership.
wonderful. Thank you.